For today's stress relief activity, I am going to explain how to convert a photo into a pencil sketch. This can be both relaxing and provide self-confidence. To turn a photo into a pencil sketch, please do the following. Open the photo in Photoshop. Launch Photoshop and go to File, Open, to select and open the photo you want to convert into a sketch. Duplicate the background layer. In the Layers panel, usually located on the right side of the screen, right-click on the background layer and choose Duplicate Layer. This step ensures that you have a copy of the original image in case you need to make any adjustments later. Convert the duplicate layer to grayscale. With the duplicated layer selected, go to Image, Adjustments, Desaturate, or simply press Shift plus Control plus U. Shift plus Command plus U on a Mac. This step converts the layer to grayscale. Invert the image. Go to Image, Adjustments, Invert, or press Ctrl plus I. Command plus I on a Mac. This will invert the grayscale image, making it appear like a negative. Apply the Gaussian blur filter. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian blur. Adjust the radius of the blur until you achieve the desired level of sketchiness. Higher values will result in a more blurred and sketch-like appearance, while lower values will retain more detail from the original image. Click OK when you're satisfied with the result. Adjust the levels. Go to Image, Adjustments, Greater than, Levels, or press Ctrl plus L, Command plus L on a Mac. In the Levels dialog box, you can adjust the sliders to increase the contrast and make the sketch lines more pronounced. Move the black and white sliders inward to increase the contrast, and adjust the mid-tone slider to fine-tune the overall appearance. Click OK when you're done. Change the blending mode. In the Layers panel, change the blending mode of the duplicate layer from Normal to Multiply. This will blend the sketch layer with the original image underneath, creating a sketch-like effect. Optional. Adjust opacity and add additional effects. If you want to fine-tune the sketch effect, you can adjust the opacity of the sketch layer in the Layers panel to control the strength of the sketch. You can also experiment with other adjustment layers and filters to add texture, enhance details, or stylize the sketch further. Save your work. Once you're satisfied with the sketch, go to File, Save As, to save your image in the desired file format. Remember to experiment with different settings and adjustments to achieve the desired sketch effect. Photoshop provides a wide range of tools and options to explore and customize your sketches. If you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe if you want similar material.